Dr. Ronaldo Colasso. Dr. Ronaldo Colasso, a man with a vision and an unwavering determination to achieve only the highest pinnacles of success, is an inspiration to all the aspiring entrepreneurs. Having ancestral roots in Mudbidri, Mangalore, Ronald Colasso is an NRI businessman based in Dubai. He started his professional career in Oman in 1975 as an accountant. Over the next few decades, he worked with some of the biggest companies across 8 Gulf and European countries, climbing the hierarchical ladder, head of accounts and administration and financial controller. Dr. Ronald Colasso's commitment doesn't bar just at business, but he extends it to social causes as well. He has been very active in promoting socio-cultural, charitable and philanthropic activities in his endeavor to give back to the society that he has come from in a big way. He insists that it is pertinent for the privileged to support the needy to set a working balance. His largesse has benefited the poor and the needy people of various institutions and organizations, irrespective of caste, creed, race, religion, and language. He has been a pioneer in providing infrastructure facilities for the benefit of the larger public and has set precedent for others to follow. Many MNCs and corporates followed his footsteps to carry out their corporate social responsibility, resulting in creating essential international standard of infrastructure in the state. Dr. Colasso has been the recipient of a number of national and international awards in recognition of his charitable and philanthropic activities as well. His many noteworthy laurels include the prestigious award from the Office of the Prime Minister of Australia through CSIA, which conferred the 2015 International Recognition Award for Leadership in Service Excellence. At the Australian Service Excellence Award ceremony held in Melbourne in 2015, the only person chosen for his prestigious award internationally from among 80 countries. In 2017, he was awarded with Karnataka State Rajyotsava Award on Overseas Karnataka category. Ronald Colasso has got the honor of being elevated as a commercial CEO for a consortium of 3 multinational corporates that were CCICL based in Greece, Management and Germany, and CPN of Italy, which is involved in turnkey projects, which as the construction of world-class petro-refineries, gas processing and reinjection plants, townships and airports. The World Bank records London has bestowed upon Dr. Ronald Colasso the Certificate of Excellence for his social charitable works by creating infrastructure support to the Government of Karnataka for the upliftment of society, announced under the UID on 28 September 2022 in the House of Commons, British Parliament, London, UK, during the Indo-UK Leadership Summit. His legacy sets powerful precedent in the society, narrating an unsaid tale of success and goodwill. For his contribution to social service, Mangalore University deems it an honor to confer the degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa on Dr. Ronald Colasso. Now, may I request Honorable Chancellor to confer the degree on Ronald Colasso on the present him degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, as Chancellor of Mangalore University, I admit Shri K. Prakash Shetty, D.Litt., Dr. Thambole Moideen, D.Litt., and Dr. Ronald Colasso, D.Litt. honoris causa of the university, and to token thereof, I present them the honorary degrees and authorize them to wear the hood obtained on the absentia of the said degree.